Bro,
Yes.
I am going to show you some new magic tricks.
Okay.
I am going to teach you some new magic
Magic.
tricks.
Okay.
Yeah, we are
I can
going
see.
to perform a magic trick.
Okay.
I will blow these candles that are inside this jug.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I will blow these candles that are inside in this jug.
Okay.
And I will put water into this jug.
Okay.
Yet they will still blow.
Okay. I can see.
Do you think is it a possible?
No, I can't think so.
But
It's
I will
possible.
make it possible.
Okay. We
I
can
will
see.
make this thing possible.
Okay.
I am going to blow these candles.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You see these candles blowing?
Yes, I can see.
These are blowing inside this jug.
Okay.
I am going to put this water into this jug.
Okay.
But they will still blow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. We can see.
Do you believe in this?
No.
Do you think they will still blow?
No.
But I think they will.
Okay.
I will make it
Okay, you
possible.
can do it.
Okay. You see, they are
Yes.
still blowing.
Yes.
Do you
But
want
he's
some
out
more?
of water.
Do you want some more water in this?
Yes.
They will still blow.
Okay.
You want
Oh, man,
more
how
water?
can you do it?
You want more water in it?
Yes. How can you do it?
They are still blowing. The jug is empty.
Okay.
Okay, they are still
How
blowing.
can you do it? I can't understand. What are you
You
doing?
can see from this that they are still blowing. Okay,
Yes, man.
I will put some color in it.
Wow.
Just make this thing happen.
How can you do it? I
Do
can't.
you want to see the magic?
Yes.
What I have done?
No.
Do you want to see it?
Yes,
I
I
want
can
to
see it.
show the audience
Okay, you
that
can.
what I have done.
Okay.
They are still blowing.
Yes.
Can you see? Can you
Yes.
see in this?
Yes, I can see.
How they are.